Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Oppo A78. So to start we have to go to Play Store, then look for the Fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. So we have to open it now. Grant the permissions to the camera and decide that we want to get notification. And grant again permissions to the files if necessary. Okay, now click the plus and choose the source of your document. Now, I have nothing in my gallery, so now I need to click the photo. So give me a second. Okay, now we can add this shape of the document, and if you're ready, click arrow. Then choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. You can add a signature, text, and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number here, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here, and if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and select it from the source and select source for it. And if you want to send the documents from this list, just buy your favorites or just get it free and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.